iPhone tips and tricks. Tip 1. Voice control screenshot. Go to Settings. Scroll and find Accessibility. Go to Voice Control. Enable voice control. Now try saying, "Take screenshot." Tip 2. One touch screenshot. Take a screenshot by pressing the side button and volume up button simultaneously. That's the old way. Here's the one touch. Go to Settings. Now go to Accessibility. Scroll up and go to Touch. Now go to Assistive Touch. And now inside the single touch, scroll down and replace the open menu to screenshot. Now we try a single touch screenshot.